So coming over to question number 20 of slot 2. So let both the series A1, A2, A3, so on. I do not know the common difference here, let the common difference be D1. B1, B2, B3, here let the common difference be D2. They're talking about an arithmetic progression, that's why I've taken the common difference. Okay, such that the common differences between both the series are prime numbers. Okay, so D1 and D2 both have to be prime numbers. Now they're saying that A5 is equal to B9. And they're also telling me that A of 19 is equal to B of 19. Now let us subtract the first equation from the second. The difference between the 19th term and the 5th term, okay, has to be nothing but 14 times the common difference of the first one. Yes, please digest this. Please try to understand this first of all. And then if I take the difference between these two, the difference has to be 10 times the common difference of the second series that's going to happen. Right? So next, I know that D1 by D2 is equal to 10 by 14, or it's going to be nothing but 5 by 7. Now since D1 and D2 have to be prime numbers, there's no other option to take that. D1 is 5 definitely. You can take multiples of 5 because they don't become prime numbers. And D2 has to become 7. There's no other option. Okay, now B2 is equal to 0. Then A11 is equal to. Now how can I write A of 11? So A of 11. I think I can take it either in terms of A or in terms of B. Okay, so let's take, it's nothing but A of 5 plus 6 times the common difference in the first case. I can do this, right? Now, common difference in the first case is going to be 5. So it's easy for me to put in. A of 11 is equal to A5 plus 6 into 5 is going to be 30. Now, how do I replace this A5? I know that A5 is equal to B9. Okay, I'm putting in terms of B because B2 is known. So A11 is equal to here B of 9 plus 30. Now what is B of 9? B of 9 I can express in terms of B of 2 plus 7 times the common difference in the second case. So A of 11 is equal to B2, which is 0, plus 7 times common difference of the second case is 7. So A11 is equal to 0 plus here exactly one more minute. I'm sorry, I think I missed this out, plus 30. So here again plus 30. Okay, B9 was this. So this is 49 and this is going to be 30. So A of 11 now turns out to be 79. So option C was the right answer for this.